My Jomar box is here. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal, and you can find me on all of the things, Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Instagram, all of the things as the Crystal Bear. I am so happy that you guys are here today. I want to apologize for if you are not returning and you are anticipating the first episode of the podcast. That is not what we're doing today. We've had some technical difficulties with the podcast, and we ended up just grabbing audio and not video because there was just a bunch of things. Like, technology is not my thing. That's why I still film on my phone. That's why it still sounds echoey in this room. I just don't really know what I'm doing. But my Jomar box came in today, and so I figured instead of not putting out a video at all, I would do an unboxing video for the Jomar box. So I know a lot of people on Instagram have been asking me to do an unboxing when it came in. It did take over a month for this box to come in. I got the 20 pairs of shoes, and I did use a discount code for 10% off, I think. So I'm not entirely sure what I paid for it, but I will put it up on the screen. And it, I think, comes out, I think it was over like $120, I think. So probably $12, $13 a pair of shoes. No, that's wrong. $6? There's 20 pairs. So yeah, something like that. We're going to unbox it. It's heavy as all get out. So I'm excited to see what I got in here because I've heard nothing but good things about Jomar, except for like one person I think didn't really like them. But overall, I've heard really good things about them. Potentially could be a new way to source. So I'm not really sure. This is my first ever Jomar box. I've done a couple of the other wholesale unboxings like B&G Trading and stuff like that. So who really knows if this is going to be good or not, but if you're interested in what's in the box, then stay tuned. So if you've watched any of my unboxing videos, you know that watching me actually physically open the box, like cut it and all of that, is a nightmare. So I spared you guys that, and I opened the box already, and we're just gonna get right into it. Comes with a packing slip, so it tells you your information. Okay, so this, I got the assorted mixed shoes, women's, gently used, 20 pairs. Does this say how much I paid for it? It does. So I ended up actually paying, it was originally priced at $85 plus shipping, and I got 10% off. With the discount, it came to $76.50 plus shipping, which was $26.17 UPS ground. And so it cost me a total of $102.67. So just about $5 and change a pair. So not bad. It's about what I would pay at the thrift store, the real thrift store. They have a thing on here that says, "We love seeing your unboxings," and tag us. So they are on Instagram. Oh, I don't know if that's going to focus. They are on Instagram and Facebook. That's that. Okay. Purple tissue paper. We're just going to start grabbing. First thing I see, not a brand I recognize, but the shoes look really cute. Kelly and Kate. My light's gonna be annoying. Come on. Oh well. Kelly and Kate. They're just like slide blocky out sandals. They're cute. They're more orange than they're showing up on camera, but overall, cute. Size 8. And they're called Armoire. They have a style name. They are all rubber banded together, which is good. Okay, this is just 9 West. Not a brand I would pick up, especially not for $5, but that's okay. These are a size 10 though, which makes it a little bit better. Just like a little knot slide sandal. So let me show you the difference real quick. These ones are definitely used. Like the soles are in used shape. These ones, the first ones, are almost brand new. So, okay. Next, again, not something I would pick up anymore. These are size 8 though, so they are actually my size. They have some staining on them. I might just keep these. These are Tom's, gray with a pink sole. I have a thing for Tom's. I love them. I can't really sell them too much because they're not, for whatever reason, I don't know. These have some staining, so I'm gonna just keep those. We'll see. If you're really interested in them, let me know, but otherwise not, I'm probably gonna keep them. Next, Lucky brand. Again, not a brand I'm super excited about anymore. They used to be really good, but they're not anymore for me. These feel nice though, like a nice leather. I don't know, let me show you. Okay, I can't find the size or the style name, which I feel like I have a problem with that on most Lucky brand shoes, which is annoying. Yeah, I don't know. I have to do more investigating in that because who knows. Moving on. Okay, let's see. All right, this is something I would pick up. So it looks like these still have a Goodwill marking on the bottom. And they wanted $20 at Goodwill, which is not happening, but these are cute. These are Crocs. White Crocs, thong sandals. So far, these are like more summery shoes. These are size 8. So it's pretty good. I can probably get 20 bucks for those. Next. Another pair of 9 West. I don't love 9 West, so let me just tell you that. Okay, these look like they're like a lace-up leg. They're gonna be hard to photograph. Not my favorite. Size 7.5. Okay, next. Wobble boards. Oh, these are FitFlops. Okay, FitFlops are good. It's like a crisscross, thick. FitFlops are a good brand. I've only found them once, but they sold really fast. And I've heard a lot of other resellers talk about them, so I'm pretty comfortable with these. Size 10, and that's a great size too, so perfect. Okay. I've never heard of these before, but I feel like they might be good. So I have no idea how to pronounce his name. Suicoke. Suicoke? They're like they look similar to Chacos. They're in good shape though. The bottoms look great. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there you go. Whoops. Okay, what did I say these were? Size 8 maybe? Did I say that? Yes, size 8. Okay, I'm running out of room. Next, a pair of Nike sneakers. Nikes are always good. These need to be cleaned up and soaked in OxyClean because they're gross. But they'll clean up good. You can wash Nikes. I've done it before. Just a pair of white and gray. I've got a bunch of Nikes that need to be washed anyway. So these have a lot of hair on them. Gross. Size 7.5. Can never go wrong with Nikes though, I feel like. Okay, dress shoes are not something that I know much about. These look like they're from Nordstrom Rack because they still have the tag on them. Oh, these are Stuart Weitzman. Okay. If I can't sell these myself, which I will try, then they will go to the Real Real, and the Real Real will take them and price them at $50 because that's what they always price them at. And that means I should get like 20 bucks for them. So that's fine. They're in decent condition though. I'm gonna try and sell them myself first. Next, another white pair of sneakers that are very dirty. Want leg, what? I don't know. These say made in Portugal. Want less essentials? I don't know. I don't know anything about these. I do know that they're dirty, but they can be cleaned up. They're gonna take a little work though. If you know anything about them, leave me a comment. Again, another pair of Nikes. These are women's Nikes. 6.5, so it's a smaller size. They're black and gray, but they're in decent condition. Oh, so a lot of Nikes I find right here start to rip. These ones aren't ripped yet, but they're definitely on their way to being ripped. I don't know. I might put these up on eBay auctions. Okay, honestly, like, we're probably about halfway through. I'm gonna say not super impressed with this box. We still got some ways to go, and there were some decent shoes so far, but overall, would I buy it again for another $120? I don't know. I guess we'll have to find out. Calvin Klein. They're very dirty. Most of them, and these are in. I don't know about this. Look at these bottoms. It's got like a nice gold. I don't know, maybe 15. Wedges are not in. At least not for my buyers. They don't care about them. These are Luca Lance. They're cute. And these are in decent condition. I have never heard of this brand. They're called the Evan, size 8. They look like they've never been worn though. And a cork wedge. Again, I say wedges are not really in for my buyers, but maybe another wedge. These are Bowden. Ew. No. These should have just went in the garbage. What in the hell? These are just going in the garbage. Look at the inside. Disgusting. That's unacceptable for me. Like, that's not, that looks like, whoa. Is that like a spider nest? No. 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 Like, don't know where to put these. Ugh. Gross. Okay, moving on. Made in Spain. These look like they're old. They don't have a brand. They're interesting. They're like a cutout boot, kind of. I don't really know. Like, they're dusty. They need to be cleaned up. And this is why I'm saying that they're old, because you can look right in here and this sale tag looks very worn out. So, size 39. I think these could probably do decent. They'll need to be cleaned up though. These are fun. And these are just Aldo, so nothing exciting, but they're like metallic. You can probably sell these for 10-15 bucks. Would I pick them up for the price that I paid for them? No. Next. No. No, just no. Jomar. You're killing me here. Okay, Madden Girl. Like faux suede, really big, chunky heel. No. These are called the Wallflower, size 7.5. No. 2 more and they don't look exciting, so. Now if these were Nikes, they'd be great. But these are, I don't have a clue. They're like a wedged sneaker. Faux leather, maybe real leather. Don't know because there's no information. They're called the Brooklyn. Oh, they are leather. The brand, I don't know. The toes are jacked up. The condition is iffy. Not impressed. And last but not least, this is White House Black Market. They look like they lace up. Again, I don't know. Again, not something I would pick up. 9.5. Going to toe. The toes are jacked. Okay, so, I don't know. I think that there were like 3 or 4 decent pairs of shoes. The Nikes, the Crocs, Stuart Weitzman, and then maybe these, depending on what they look like when I look them up. So I'm just like, I'm not impressed. Will I buy another Jomar box? Probably not. Like, I feel like I could take $120 to any thrift store and get better stuff than this. I'm so disappointed at this. Like, what, no, no. So, anyway, yeah, sorry that this wasn't a more exciting box. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this was a bust. So, yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about it other than would not recommend. But that's okay. You've got to try things to figure out if they're for you or not, and Jomar just seems to not be for me, and that's okay. I'm going to continue to source the way that I always source, which is at the bins and picking my own stuff, because I'm also just picky. Like, I'm a much pickier person than most resellers anyway, so yeah, I don't know. I'm disappointed, but I kind of expected it, honestly. Like, if it was like super good, everybody would do it, right? And I don't know. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on this box. I want to talk podcast real quickly. The podcast will be up. It's just not going to end up being on YouTube. So if you are interested in the podcast, I will be linking them in the notes. Probably not this video because I don't think it's going to be up by the time this video goes up. But it should be up early tomorrow morning, if not late tonight. And we did talk Bridgerton, so if you've not seen it, don't listen to it because there's a bunch of spoilers. But if you did see it, you might enjoy the conversation that we had. And we're going to talk about all different things. If you have suggestions for the podcast, leave them. We will definitely go through them. And we're always looking for new ideas to talk about. So if you're interested at all, you can hop over to that. The podcast is named Table That. And so when you're looking for it on Spotify, Apple Music, all of that, you should be able to find it relatively quickly. And that is that. So sorry that this wasn't a more exciting video. I am just as disappointed as you are. But until Monday, we will talk about what sold next Monday. I'll see you then. Bye.